Make a great choice today with the 2025 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.